Guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing good and staying safe at home. Today I'm back with another topic, and that topic is how to fall in love with your workout. So let's get started. Point number one, try to focus on other reasons apart from just weight loss or muscle gain. Let me make it clear that this journey is very monotonous. First, it takes time because fat loss or muscle gains cannot happen just in one day, and then it takes your patient labor. You have to be very patient. You have to stick to a specific goal. So try to focus on other things apart from just weight loss or fat loss. Like example, for me it was always, I had some acne issues, I had some gastric issues, I had some issues. That's the reason I'm here. That's the reason I started this journey. So try to focus on small things which you think can heal in this process. Point number two, try to find a person or a friend who can help you or who can motivate you in this journey. When you have a bad day and you don't want to go to a gym, that person will push you back and then he'll bring you to the gym. So try to find a person with similar mindset who can accommodate you to the gym, who can motivate you, and even you can share your journey. Point number three, try to include a favorite sports which you like example, playing volleyball, playing basketball, playing badminton, going for swimming, going for cycling are another all good source of cardio if you really don't want to go to gym to just hit cardio. I also understand that picking that same amount of weight every day and going to a gym for 5 to 6 days in a week is very difficult, right? So try to include a sports which will give you a good feel factor, which can help you in this journey and does not make your journey monotonous. And lastly, and the point number 4, that is find a coach for yourself or find a gym trainer for yourself or a nutritionist or a dietitianist, because we don't possess all the knowledge right at now. So try to find a coach. A coach is a person who can help you to build a structure plan. He can help you to build a structure goal. He'll have a track for you, then he'll split the workout routines for you. So try to find a coach who can accommodate you in this journey. Okay, I hope this type of videos helps you a lot, because this has helped me a lot when I just started this journey, and that's the reason I really wanted to share with you guys. Also, let me know if you really want me to continue with this type of video. See you next week. Bye bye.